Hi everyone, my name is Dickwin. Welcome to my channel. So first and foremost, I'd like to thank the people who have been watching my videos. Thanks for the support, thanks for the views, thanks for the likes, and also thank you for subscribing. I feel very thankful also for some of the responses that I've been receiving. But today's video is not going to be a food video, not going to be doing a review, not going to be a vlog, but just a general update as to where I'm trying to bring this channel to, or where I'm trying to bring my video content to. So for the most part, for the past 2 months, this is the 9th video that I'll be uploading, and the 8 videos prior has been things that I was going to be doing anyways. So I just brought my camera along, recorded it with people which I was there with. So things like the Jollibee video, or also the White Castle video, which was for the first one this year. Those were things that I was going to do anyways. And also in regards to the previous video, which was the pasture-raised pork chops. That was something that I've been wanting to try for a long time. So I decided to film the entire process and describing my entire viewpoints towards that. So in the 8 videos that I've edited, I think the most challenging one in terms of production value was the one where I went home for Chinese New Year. That was hard to film because, for one, I was traveling, and then I was also, my schedule wasn't very flexible in terms of I had like a short layover, and it was a short layover for the most part, and I had to run through like gates and all these while carrying a camera. So that wasn't fun, but that really taught me some lessons when I was editing the video itself. When I was shooting the video, I had like a vision of how it looked like. I kind of like storyboarded it myself in my mind of how this segment would be and how that segment would play in relation to the previous segment. But when I was editing it, it was a jumbled up mess for the most part, because if you watch that video, if you're not, just like I'll put the card in the top right corner here for you to watch that. It was because of the PA system, where it was noisy and like the audio wasn't very great. I actually scraped like 1 or 2 parts and added audio and added songs on it, because it wasn't the best in terms of audio quality. Like, I was talking, but I would doubt that a lot of people would understand what I was trying to convey, because for one, I was slightly shy. I wasn't talking very loudly. And 2, the airport isn't the best place to really film a video, because a lot of people, and for refraining again, the PA system will constantly blast on some kind of announcement that they want the passengers to watch. So that are some takeaways in terms of the past 2 videos that I've been doing. But overall, I've enjoyed the experience of making videos. Like, it helped me understand a lot of things from a different level, because when you're just enjoying the moment, you tend to forget some things. But when you start to record it and start to edit over it, and when you're editing over it, you repeatedly hear it, and that's the theme that I've been doing. When editing, I'm constantly replaying the moments and reliving them, and noticing some little things that I do or people do, or things that's happening around me while I'm filming. Those are the small things that I've relived. But overall, I have been having fun making these videos, and I think that's really what I'm trying to strive here. Not to get a lot of views, not to get a lot of subscribers. Those things are cool, but for the most part, I'm looking for things that bring enjoyment to my life and make me smile. And like, when I look back at these videos a few years down the road, I'll be saying like, oh, that's what happened during that week. But looking forward, one of the things that I want to improve on is, first and foremost, the video. In terms of the video content, I feel the content is great. I have received some good feedback in terms of how my cooking videos and some of the talking, like I think the Ring Fit one gained some good amount of traction there. Those were good. There are good amount of talking, and it's good amount of like explaining in terms of that. Although there are some places for improvement in terms of B-roll and like actual film on like video quality, videography. of the actual food and more deeper explanation of some of the things. That's what we're working on. But in terms of a bigger focus, I'll be looking into more of jumping in, injecting my personality into the videos itself. So for example, if it were a food video, I'll be talking more about what's happening in my life, having some chit-chat conversation, so that the video is not just about the food itself, but also has a bit of my personality. So like that was also one of the goals of why I wanted to restart this channel, was to really become more sociable and also talk more about myself, which I rarely do. So I thought I'll share it out and also improve my speaking skills. And talking in front of the camera, this helped that a lot. The next thing is I want to improve the production value, or like production quality of a video. So as more and more people are watching my videos, or as I'm moving to making more like higher, like longer form videos, or like videos that take a longer time to produce, I'm working on getting my workflow, how I shoot videos, how I record audio, and how I get lighting, and like in terms of like how I stabilize my camera, or like how I carry it, and how I frame myself in the frame itself. I'm trying to improve on that. So it's a learning process. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of like I've been noticing some of the YouTubers I've been watching recently, how that they frame their shots, what kind of things they put onto their frames, and like how they speak and how the setup works out. So this is a learning process. Probably gonna take a few months for me to find the style that I am comfortable with. Like given this video itself, this is a slightly new setup right now. I'm trying to get better lighting and better audio, so I'm using a lavalier microphone opposed to the mic I have on my camera right now. And also I have a lighting on this corner here. This is a key light which brightens up my face on this side of the frame. So that's exciting, and I am still working on that. So hopefully within the next few videos, you'll see some improvement in terms of how lighting and how audio works out. And yeah, one of the major like concerns, or kind of like views I have been seeing and people have been seeing, is that the audio quality in terms of my verbal sounding like audio isn't the best. Like my audio levels are up and down. That I've been noticing, because for the first few videos, I've been mostly focusing on the video and the narrative. So like how it looks like and where the story is being placed in the timeline of the video. But moving forward, I'll be taking into account audio and also lighting quality, and also probably songs. Like I'm not a very big song person, but I do notice that good videos tend to have like good amount of songs in the right time. So I'm still figuring out how that works out, and like how to gain my creativity in terms of that. So in the future outlook, I'm looking to talk about and do more videos about things that I really like. So things like credit cards, personal finance, and grocery shopping, and also more of food videos and food like experimentations. So expect to see more of that in the next few weeks and next few videos. Yeah, currently I'm working on 2 one-off projects, which are, one of them is the Ring Fit video, and also food experimentation, which I'm still working on. I don't know the exact timeline on when that will be released. But yeah, those are one-off projects that are exciting to me, and I'm really excited because those videos have a slightly different narrative or slightly different storyline than what I have been doing for the past few weeks. So that's about it for this video. This has just been a quick update. I'm not expecting to do another update probably for the next few months. So thanks for watching, and thanks for the support. Please do give me a like, for this video. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. And definitely, if you have any suggestions or any kind of like comments, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. I've received some personal message from some of my friends that they have some suggestions for my video, but they do not write it as comments. They tell me in through text message or in person. That's helpful, but definitely writing a comment and giving a like and hitting subscribe does help YouTube provide this show to YouTube that my audience is engaging and like gives me engagement opportunities so that my channel can grow and also be recommended to more people. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video, the audio quality is better. This is my first video that I'm trying the lavalier microphone, and the audio level should be good in normal audio. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So this is my smoothie right now that I'm drinking. Today it's Saturday, February 29. It's a leap day. So this is the one extra day every 4 years that I get to do something extraordinary. So yeah.